Greetings, class. Greetings, Professor Hertz. I would like to thank my evaluator Claudio for giving me, guidance and constructive analysis on my business case. And also, I would like to begin by sharing with you guys the initiative taken for my business case knowledge management on a one-stop portal. The business case consists of a international retail retail store of international business, which would communicate across the international lines in various geographical location. And if you notice here, here's the front page of this one-stop portal, which I decided to go with the open source for a efficiency and cost effectiveness. Um, I developed it on my local host for comfort reasons. Um, However, it can also be deployed on a on a server such as or internet service provider such as GoDaddy.com and various others. If you notice here, uh, Drupal provides us with various modules that will allow us to accomplish our objectives. Here you will see a calendar, okay, provided by to us by the calendar module, which you can input events um, such as this one here. And this is the beauty of Drupal because of its flexibility. So I was just going to show you a slight uh, display of this event, registered event. Another thing I would like to share with you is the fact that Drupal, regarding regarding security, Drupal provides us with the access control module, which, if you look here at the basic pages, the access control would give only authenticated users access to various pages. Here's the access control knob that would allow us to give anonymous users access to view any page content, edit, modify, delete, or publish. As if you can see here, only authenticated users have that permission right. Another thing I would like to share with you is the fact that um, eh, users are are given permission by the administrator, and the administrators or the authenticated users, they have access to the file browser, so which logs all the files on the server, which you can see here. um, so this will be a good way to share files and such. So if we would take a step back for a minute, you will also notice here that I made easy access to accounting, product, and marketing, um, to the marketing node pages. If you look here, you will notice that the information link, users can add invoices, account receivable, and account payment. And we'll start by going to the product page, where users would have access to the various the current products and their details, the country, the brand. And as the user hits on one of the products, it would take them to a spreadsheet like um, node, which is will give us the same functionality of an Excel spreadsheet. And it can also import Google spreadsheet and more. And this is the beauty of the flexibility of Drupal here. I will continue by showing you guys the archive documents, where this is where each document um, um, that they would load onto the platform, the application would be archived here. It will be displayed here. Product payments, which would be receivables, payment receivables, and account receivables and account payables here. And each user can actually add each of these events or files through the link provided on the left with the end date, and they can just add an event here on the check editor and save it. Another thing I would like to share with you is the log, the log option here with management, with each authenticated user with each profile would have the opportunity to log each activity on a daily basis. They can just enter a subject here, and then and make sure each management is on the same page here, and save it, and each manager will respond accordingly. Another thing I would like to share with you is Drupal provides us the ability to communicate with anonymous users, where they can put their name, last name, emails, and give a reason why they would like to collaborate, and they will just directly um, send the information via mail to each authenticated user or administrator. That's another thing. And if we go here to accounting, you would Drupal gives us the ability to manage our accounting aspects such as balance sheet, income statement, cash flow. So if I click here, you will see another display of the capability of the spreadsheet, the sheet node provided to us by the sheet node module, which will also give us the same functionality as Excel. And on the left here, you can see each event on the calendar is there for the awareness of each authenticated user. So, and this one-stop portal was mainly for knowledge sharing across geographical boundaries. So it wasn't really for online transaction, which it could be upgraded to that. It's scalable. Drupal is very scalable, and here we can have the marketing aspect and allow this to be viewed by anonymous users. And it can be, if we have posters or product promotion, we can publish it either here on the front page. But of course, only authenticated user would have access to the sensible data available on the on the website. And each item imported, uploaded by the authenticated user is visible by all authenticated users. It will just list here below, as you noticed, and it will just it could be viewed or downloaded by by each uh, by each authenticated user. So this is the benefits of this Drupal platform, and it's just versatile. But however, it's 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 it must be mentioned that the module it takes a bit quite a lot of modules to get everything going as you wish for uploading audio, video, and rendered files. So if you see in the modules here, it's each module will be you know uploaded, downloaded, and then configured um, appropriately. So that's one of the things about Drupal. It is time consuming, but however, you will find that um, web hosting for open source um, content management systems such as Drupal is quite cheap, and it could be in a year it could be up to um, 73 euros and not more for purchasing domain name and such. So this can also be deployed on a cloud or internet service provider. So this is my idea of knowledge sharing with various um, management, such as the chief operating officer, chief financial officer, which would get the permission they're required to maneuver um, the um, the one-stop um, uh, the one-stop platform that is elaborated here. And of course, we can share the mission and vision